So welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss about the various manufacturing systems. So let us first see what exactly is manufacturing. So system is a production method that is designed to easily adapt to changes in the type and quantity of the product being manufactured. Okay. So that means suppose you are manufacturing a car, that is a manufacturing system. We will see what type of manufacturing system is that in the next slide. So suppose you need to manufacture maybe some 1,000 cars. Okay, so suppose you are manufacturing a sedan. Sometimes you need to change it to a hatchback. You need to manufacture that to a 10,000 cars. That means the method should be designed to easily adapt to the changes in the type. So it is difficult to change for a car manufacturing system easily to this according to the changes. Okay, so we need to design a system like that. So it can be defined as an activity or combination of activities which is mainly performed to convert a raw material into a product of different shapes, sizes, or without making any kind of changes in the mechanical and physical properties of the product material is called manufacturing process. An easy example you can take is the case of maybe toothpaste manufacturing. Okay, you have the raw material, whatever is needed to manufacture a toothpaste. So it undergoes a series of processes in which the material's properties are not changing. You are reshaping the raw material, combining with another raw material to get a final product. So you can get the toothpaste of different shape. You can have a different types of toothpaste, different quantities, different shapes, etc. Okay, this is the overview of manufacturing system. So there are different types of manufacturing systems which we'll see. So the different types of manufacturing production systems are continuous manufacturing system, mass production system, intermittent production system, job shop manufacturing system, process batch manufacturing, and project manufacturing system. Let us see each one in detail. So what do you mean by continuous manufacturing system or process? It is also known as flow production system. Take the case of the petroleum industry. Okay. So the petroleum industry, see these oil wells, they are working day and night. Okay, continuously to produce this crude oil, and this crude oil is fed to the refineries to finally get the petroleum products. So these are not manufactured based upon the requirement, these are manufactured continuously. So that is one problem that we faced during the COVID period. When the demand reduced, the oil wells are not able to reduce the production according to that. It is a continuous flow system. So there was a glut of oil, and which sharply resulted in a drop in the oil prices because it was difficult to store that. So this is a kind of continuous production system. So it is used to produce or process products without interruption by constantly supplying raw material. So a type of production in which materials being processed are continuously in motion. Example, food industry and fuel industry also. So in food industry also similarly you are manufacturing continuously. So that is an example of continuous manufacturing system. So these can be used for manufacturing of similar products. That is product standardization. You are manufacturing the same product without any change. For example, the case of petroleum products, you are not making any changes to that. So it keeps the machines and equipments totally busy. It never stops. So there is a fixed path material handling, and goods are produced on a large scale for stocking and selling. Okay. Now we are coming to the mass production system. So mass production is used for manufacturing identical goods at once. basically similar to the continuous manufacturing system. This is also a large scale production of standardized goods or components. So let us take the case of toothpaste, soap, comb, etc. So we are manufacturing toothpaste in bulk quantities. We are not it is not custom made. It is just manufactured in large quantities and stored and sold. Okay, once you fix the type of design for a soap, you are manufacturing it continuously. So this is industrial technique to produce large quantities of similar product in constant flows. The company produces different types of products on a large scale and stock them in warehouses until they are demanded in the market. Because soap also they manufacture in different types, but these are manufactured in large quantities which are stored and sold later. Next, we come to the intermittent manufacturing system or process. So intermittent means something that starts and stops at irregular intervals. Okay, so this is not a continuous manufacturing system. This starts and stops when needed. That means goods are produced based on customers' orders, and these goods are produced on a small scale also, and the flow of production is intermittent. So the first thing is to note that it is manufactured based upon the customer's order. It can be started and stopped whenever that is needed. So let us take the example of a gold. For a tailor, when you give an order, the tailor stitches the clothes and gives to that. So it is based upon the customer's order. Sometimes if we are giving a bulk order, then for a textile plant, they will manufacture according to our need. So these products are of different sizes. So that means that manufacturing system can change the layout or change the system to manufacture different types, different colors, different shape, etc. And design of these products, these are continuously changing. Sometimes one time we give an order and the next time we go a different order of different color, quantity, etc. Color, shape, etc. It keeps changing according to the design and size of the product. Therefore, this system is very flexible. This is a very flexible system. That is the intermittent manufacturing. But one thing to note that the products manufactured using intermittent manufacturing system are costly compared to that of the mass production and continuous flow production. Next, we have a job-based or job shop manufacturing system. So here it makes small batches of custom goods that is specifically for one customer. Okay, most of the goods it makes require a specific setup. Okay, best example is can be given for a commercial print shop. So that means we are requesting the commercial print shop to manufacture a particular book, a poster or flex, etc. according to our need. It varies from the customer to customer. So the setup needs to be changed to produce that kind of custom goods. Okay, and a machine tool shop also, when we request to manufacture a particular good or product, the machine tool shop need to be reset to manufacture that. So that is about. So it entails handling of entire tasks either by a single employee or a group of employees. So next we have the process manufacturing system. So system of process is a method whereby a group of identical products are produced simultaneously, like shoes of different size. For example, shoes of maybe 7, 9, 10, 11, etc. These are manufactured and group of identical products are produced. And next we have the project manufacturing system or process. Here customized products are made to fulfill specific customer demand. Okay, so this best example can be maybe a aircraft industry gets a request to manufacture a particular aerospace product. Okay, so this is manufactured according to the demand. Similarly for the defense weapons also, these are manufactured by the concerned industries according to the demands of the customer. Okay, it can be custom home, so each home will be different. So these are not bulk manufactured, these are built based upon the customer's need. These are highly customized. Okay. So this is all about project manufacturing system or process.